Hello and welcome back to Nilsson Tools. My name is Hege. This week's project will be this lawnmower. Boring. You know, I tried to make an educational film about how to fix a lawnmower, but that was my first attempt and it failed completely. So I took it in for a service, and when I got it back they said it couldn't be fixed. Well, they said it was too old, too used, too bad. It would never run again. So on a sunny day on my backyard I took it apart. Still is a very clean bowl. Now let's remove the pin and the needle valve. Here's the gasket. Now I will also unscrew this one. This sits approximately 1.5 turns from the bottom. And cleaned it inside out with small needles. These are almost like, I wouldn't call them files, but they have steps, so they are doing good. Now I need a bigger one. This one is too big, or? Yep. This set is lacking a few. And then it almost ran like it should. I watched a few YouTube videos and I saw that it was actually missing a part on the carburetor itself. So I took a bit of aluminum, put it in the lathe, turned it down to the right dimension and glued it in place on the carburetor with Loctite, and now it runs like a dream. Well, what is the lesson learned here? Well, YouTube is one of the best sources for information today, and can actually make you a better mechanic than the mechanics themselves. Because mechanics today can't fix the things they can't change. Well, that's all for this video. Goodbye.